Hello, welcome to Insurefit. Today we're going to show you some security products and some extras we fitted to this RACE SPACE SportHomes. Absolutely lovely bit of kit, cracking installation by them guys. So we've put in our Vans T-Series hook lock in the rear. We've also got a high level brake light camera up there. We've also added in the StarLine S9 alarm system. I'll go through the StarLine very quickly for you. We've got shock and motion sensors, so if anything's banged or moved or anything on the side of the vehicle's wobbled, the alarm will trigger. It'll give you a quick warning. If the attack persists, then it will go into full alarm mode. You'll get phone calls and notifications straight to your mobile phone. With the mobile phone app, we can add in remote start, night heater controls. Very useful for this type of vehicle. With other vehicles such as the Ford Transit Customs, we can do mirror fold, horn honk on when the alarm's triggered. Loads of security features on there. So what I'll do, I'll just show you now what will happen if we enter the vehicle without the tags being present. So you do need a tag to be present to allow the vehicle to start. We can pair your mobile phone up as well to be used as a tag, so it's not a great deal if you do lose your tags. You can still use your mobile phone as a tag there. So we'll unlock the vehicle as normal. We'll jump into the vehicle. As there's no tags present, after 30 seconds the alarm will activate, but I'll just show you what we can do with the immobilisation side. So we've no tags present at the minute. If I switch the ignition on, nothing happens with complete immobilisation. There's several points of immobilisation on this vehicle. We can use steering wheel controls to bypass this, so I'll just show you now. So we'll put the ignition on. I'm not going to show you the code for obvious reasons. Wait for the double flash. There we go, the vehicle's now disarmed and we can start the vehicle as normal. There we go, it's the vehicle started without the tags being present. Like I said, if you do get into the vehicle without the tags or somebody clones or copies a key, which is a massive problem with the Sprinters, the alarm will go off and you will get full notifications through to your mobile phone. And this is the same if there's a shock or a motion attack to the vehicle. I'll just quickly run through the other bits we've done in here. So we've got a reverse camera that we've fitted, integrated into the factory screen. Lovely bit of kit there, and we've also added in our Thinkware Dash Camera. Lovely little cameras these, very good quality. Wi-Fi pair to your phone. You can also get a live version for a couple of £1 a month, I think it is, for the data streaming. So that's Insurefit vehicle installations based in Blackburn, Lancashire. We're approved installers for StarLine, Vans, Sortimo, various other products. Give us a call on 01254 200 211. Thank you for watching.